Hello, greetings to each and every one of you. We are solving the first question here today. We'll be on polynomials. Let me read out the question. The polynomial f of x is defined by f of x equals to 3 minus ax plus bx squared minus s cubed, as you see on the board. When f of x is divided by x plus 2, the remainder is 45. Given that 3 minus x is a factor of f of x, find the values of the real constants a and b. Alright, so to analyze this question, to look for the constant term a and b, we are going to use this quantity that has been given, x plus 2. It has been told that when f of x is divided by x plus 2, the remainder is 45. It therefore means that I will let x plus 2 be equals to 0 and solve for x. In this case, you will see that our x will be equals to minus 2. So I'm now going to substitute minus 2 into the given polynomial and I equate to 45 as I'm equating it to the remainder. This implies that my f of minus 2 will be equals to 3 minus a into minus 2 plus b into minus 2 all squared minus into minus 2 all cubed. So everything here, when I have this value, I will equate it to what? 45, which is the remainder. So let's simplify this first. We're going to have 3. This will be what? When negative a multiply with negative 2, we are going to have plus 2a. So this other term, minus 2 all squared is 4 times b is plus 4b. Then minus 2 all cubed is negative 8. When you take negative 8 and multiply by this negative again, you have plus 8. So let's simplify that before equating to 0. You will see that 3 plus 8 is 11. So I'm going to have 11 plus what? Plus 2a plus 4b. Everything here is to be equated to what? To 45. Because that is the remainder. So here should be an implication sign. This implies that this value, everything here, is equated to 11. So now, we want to bring like terms together. I will carry this 11 this way. So the first equation we are going to have is, I want to bring it at this extreme now. We have 2a plus b is equals to 45, and I will carry this one across this equality sign with minus 11. So this implies 2a plus b, 2a plus 4b, sorry, there is 4b, 2a plus 4b is equals to what? 45 minus 11, it gives what? 34. This is the first equation, equation 1. Okay, now we are going to use now the factor. As you see in the equation, we are going to use the factor. The factor is given to be what? It's given to be 3 minus x. They say when the polynomial f of x is divided by 3 minus x, the remainder is 0. Therefore, it is a factor of the polynomial. So, also, we are going to let 3 minus x to be equals to 0. This implies that our x here will be equals to 3. Since it is a factor, then we'll look for f of 3 and equate it to 0 in the polynomial. So this therefore means that my f of 3 will be equals to, I'm substituting in the same equation, 3 minus ax plus bx squared minus x cubed. So what I'm going to have here is what? 3 minus a into 3 plus b into 3 all squared minus 3 all cubed. So that's it. Everything here will be equated to 0. Why? Because it is a factor of that polynomial. So this therefore implies Let's look for this. This is 3. Put the 3 here. Now this is what? Minus 3a. Minus 3a. What is here? You see that 3 to the power square is 9. When you take now 9 here, let's be, you have what? Minus what? Plus 9b. 9b. Okay, all we left here now, we see that this is also minus 20 because 3 to the power 3 is 27. So when the negative comes here, it becomes minus 27. Good. So now I am going to equate everything to what? 0. Why? Because this is a factor of the polynomial. So when the polynomial f of x is divided by this factor, the remainder is 0. Alright, let's simplify this now. So what we are going to have is, we'll start by carrying these other terms today, bringing like terms together. It simply means we carry the constant term to the right hand side. So we have minus 3a, that's 9. It is 9 here. So minus 3a plus 9b, it equals what? 27 minus 3. So finally, the second equation is minus 3a plus 9b is equals what? 24. So this is what? Equation 2. Good. Now to solve the two equations simultaneously, I am going to bring them together so that we can easily solve them simultaneously. So from this point, I will bring equation 1 down. So what is equation 1? This is equation 1. Equation 1 says we have 2a plus 4b is equals to what? 34. This is equation 1. So I'm going to solve these two equations simultaneously. You see that I can use elimination method here. I will interchange the coefficients of a. If I want to eliminate a, here will be 2, here will be what? Minus 3. So let's multiply all the line by 2. I multiply this second line by negative 3. So this implies the new equations we are going to have will be what? 2 times minus 3a. We have our minus 6a plus 2 times 9 will give 18b will be equals to 2 times this value is 48. This is now equation 3. Okay, we'll do the same to the other line. You see that the coefficients here will be the same now. This time this will give a minus 6a. Minus 3 times 4 will give you minus 12b. You take minus 3 and this value here, you are going to have 102 will be negative. So negative 102. So this is what? The equation 4. Alright. So we can now see that we can easily eliminate this first term because the coefficients of a are the same. So I'm going to use equation 4 minus equation 3. If we take equation 4 minus equation 3, what are we going to have? Look at this. This value here minus this one will give you 0. So they dash. So I'm going to take now minus 12b minus plus 12b. Therefore it is what? Minus 12b minus 18b. What are we going to have? We are going to have minus 30b here. Minus 30b, which is equals to, I'm using minus 102 minus 48. So I'm going to have minus 150. So this is b here. So if I'm solving from b, I divide both sides by minus what? 30. I divide both sides by what? Minus what? 30. So that this minus 30 cancel this. So my b will be equals to what? You see that this 3 here 1, 3 here 5 times. Here is what? 0, 0. So the answer is b is 5. Alright, we have b equals to 5. Then we are going to substitute the values of b into any of the original equations. The original equations are these ones. So let me substitute it in equation 2 because you see all the terms are positive. I will substitute b here. So we have 2a plus 4b equals to 34. 2a plus 4, our b is 5, equals to 34. So simplifying that will give us the value of a. You can see clearly I have 2a plus what? 20 is equals to what? 34. So this also implies 2a equals to 34 minus 20. So 2a is 34 minus 20. Therefore 2a equals to what? 14. 34 minus 20 is 14. So we see that looking for a here, we divide both sides by 2. So that this one cancel. Here is 7. So amount a is equals to 7, while b is equals to what? 5. These are the answers to the first question. Alright, we will check on for the b part of this question.